Hi everyone, my name is Prashant. I did my first video when the Prime Minister made the speech on being Atmanirbhar. I got a very warm response, very encouraging words from a lot of friends asking me to continue doing this and even suggesting me to give it a proper kind of a name to the series. So I plan to call it Through PG's Lens, a Balanced View, a kind of centrist. This is the second in the series, so welcome to this second part of Through PG's Lens. My today's topic is COVID positive corporates. The corona pandemic hit us in March end, the end of the financial year. So everyone saw the raises, the promotions, appraisals, incentives, everything going out of the window. Immediately a lockdown was declared. The first lockdown was followed with lot of commitment from the entire country. The second lockdown brought in some kind of nervousness and some kind of panic. But the third lockdown brought in something what we strategically can call knee-jerk reaction. Knee-jerk reaction from practically every corporate. Today, when we see the headlines, we see the corona positive cases going through the roof. So are the death numbers. But this one part of data which is not being reported is corporates going COVID positive and the employees dying slow death. Smaller companies, startups, companies who do not have financial base, like you have daily wages, there are monthly wager companies. They earn sufficient enough only to pay salary for 1 month. Companies who are already struggling. Over ambitious companies who try to grow only on borrowed money. All of them showing knee-jerk reaction, I guess is very well accepted. But corporates who have had a very healthy bottom line, corporates who made profits quarter on quarter for decades with the same set of employees, when today the kind of reaction they are showing, people being fired, layoffs, salary cuts, leave without pay, incentives being completely wiped out. Every dark chapter of the HR manual is in full display right now. We are all behaving as if the world is coming to an end. It was just matter of probably 2 quarters. The employees who help you make so much of profit for innumerable quarters, we could not hold their hand even for 2 quarters. It's a very very sad phenomenon. It's also a strategic blunder. Today, the talent which you are letting go, tomorrow you will have to get a substitute which will be a much lesser soul at a much higher cost. Today, you are converting your live wire assets into dead wood. After some time, corporates will be actually competing with each other of having the highest amount of demotivated workforce. And all this we are doing at a time when India is expected to compete with the world. When we want to disrupt the supply chain all over the world by actually killing our own resources. I sincerely hope that some better sense prevails. Companies could have opted for reverse appraisals, where you keep your live wire performers on status quo, you probably downgrade the underperformers and show the door to the deadwoods. But doing everything en masse is just doesn't get justified. I sincerely hope that my voice reaches out to the people who matter. And even if a few heads were to turn the tide around, this video would be almost earning an Oscar. Otherwise, it will be a soothing balm to all those guys who are feeling the heat. And I can tell you only one thing, that just hold on to your nerves. Just keep your faith intact. Life comes full circle, and let's hope that it does. If you like my video, if you like the point I am making, please feel free to share it as much as you want. And I hope and I plan to touch on many more such sensitive topics. You can even subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and praying that better sense prevails.